laboratory environment, one should be wearing the proper personal protective equipment, the PPE. This includes long pants, closed-toed shoes, and lab goggles. Depending on the hazards present, gloves, lab coats, and respiratory devices may be necessary. A person should not eat, drink, or chew gum in a lab. They should observe any posted safety information, including the NFPA diamonds, SDSs, and any other special rules or regulations regarding the lab environment before entering.
Oh wow, as you can see, this room has all the hazards that could be in this room listed right here by this NFPA diamond.
Oh gee,
That's helpful.
very helpful.
While in a lab, one should never directly smell or consume chemicals. This is because the chemicals may potentially be toxic to the body. There are 4 main ways the toxicants can enter the body. These pathways include ingestion, injection, dermal absorption, and inhalation. All 4 of these pathways can have both short-term and long-term effects on the biological systems of the body. Some long-term effects include carcinogen and reproductive hazards, while some short-term effects include damage of the skin, blood, liver, kidneys, nervous systems, or lungs.
It smells nasty.
You're right.
When conducting an experiment, one should always be diligent in making sure that the process is running as expected. This diligence includes making sure that variables like temperature, pressure, and reaction rate are not rising to unsafe levels. Negligence in a lab can result in extremely dangerous consequences.
Light's still not on.
Because you're doing the stir, not the heat.
When handling hot glassware, one should never touch it with their bare hands. Instead, beaker tongs and/or gloves should be used as preventative measures of burns.
All lab benches, workstations, and hallways should be tidy and clear of any obstruction. Debris on the lab stations can be unstable and is therefore considered dangerous. Additionally, unorganized workstations can cause a person to lose important notes, memos, and materials needed to be successful in the lab.
Alright, at 4 minutes, the volume is 200 milliliters.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What's the temperature?
Temperature is 85 degrees Celsius.
When finishing up a lab, one should properly dispose of all chemicals in the correct waste barrels as indicated by the laboratory procedure. If the chemical is to be disposed down the drain, running water should accompany it. All glassware should be properly cleaned and put away in the designated areas. Equipment such as hot plate, stirrers, and other devices should be turned off and put away before leaving the lab. Hot plates should be given ample time to cool down to ensure the safety of other users.
Should I just wash it down with water?
Which one?
The non-toxic one?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.